Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I want to share with you guys my new tool. I broke down and went and got one of these battery powered Sawzall. I do have a corded one, but sometimes it can be a little cumbersome, especially when you try to move different places and you try to cut stuff or demo something you're working on, and the cable sometimes is just annoying. So I decided to just go and buy something nice that I can use for many years. So I went and got one of these. This is like the high-end one. It's pretty light. You can basically even use one hand with this. The other corded one is kind of heavy, but it's got way too much power than this one for sure. But that's not the point. The point is like to have something that it's portable, something that you can take places, and something that's lighter for demos that I do most of the time. So I did buy one of these Sawzalls. Comes with it didn't come with the battery, but I already had the battery for my other tools, so I didn't need to buy a battery. I don't understand what's going on with tools lately, because nowadays if you go buy a tool, it's just a tool and no battery. So this one is from another tool that I have. The blower I have also uses this battery. I have a circular saw that also uses the battery, and this one can also use the same battery, so I didn't see a point of buying a new one. Anyway, so this is a Sawzall. The model number is DCS382 if you're interested. It's right there. It is super light. I did buy one of these blades, the Diablo blades, but it does come with one. It does come with this one, this little one here. But I was demoing and there were nails and stuff. I wasn't sure if this was gonna be able to do it for me. So I got this one, the multi-purpose, that will cut everything. Will cut nails, will cut metal, will cut wood. So I bought one of those. So just wanted to share with you guys this. This is super nice. It is brushless. You see it right here. Brushless motor. So it's much lighter compared to the cabled one. It is a 20-volt DeWalt, meaning that I can use this 20-volt here. This is a 6-amp one. It really doesn't matter, but this works really good with it too. Like basically all the batteries that I have for my DeWalt tools works on this. Even the little tiny one for my DeWalt 20 volts that's smaller than this for my DeWalt drills work on this thing. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna be doing some demos here in the next couple of weeks. So I wanted to have some of this that is portable and easy to carry, can fit in my bag. The other one is too big. It won't fit on my tool bag, and if you put it in a tool bag, the tool bag becomes way too heavy. So I'm excited about this. This works really good. I'm gonna show you guys here the next couple of days when I use it, like actually use it outside or in like a demo place that I'm doing, and show you guys how it works. But it's got some awesome power. So let me just, that's how it works. It's got extreme power. It's amazing. The thing that I like the most about this is how easy it is to change this, to switch the blade and to put it back on. Basically just this thing right here. If you turn it around like that, you remove the blade. So I'm gonna show you here. If I turn it around like that, the blade just comes out really fast, and I can leave it like that and it's back. And if I put it back like that and turn this on, the blade is on and the thing is engaged. All right, super convenient. And another thing I like about this, my corded one doesn't have the light right here, while this one has a light. So this is super nice to have this light here. And the blade goes both ways. You can put it facing this way, like the way this is like this. But you can also rotate. You can put it facing up, like that. So if you need to cut going up like this, you can do that. And you can cut this way as well. So very nice Sawzall. Wanted to share with you guys if you're interested in buy one of these. I like it so far. I've used it a couple of times. I had to demo a wall. This thing was going like through studs and nails like butter. So if you're interested in one of these or have any questions about it, just let me know. But it looks like that. You can use any battery you have. I'm just using this because that was the closest here right now. But I do have several of these, so it's not gonna come with this when you buy. It's gonna just come with two. That's like what all these companies are doing lately. Anyway, wanted to share with you guys that, and I hope that helps. And If you have any question, let me know. All right, see you later.